Funny behavior of cat and chicken friendship. In this video, we can see the funny behavior of a cat with its best friend, the chicken. The chicken seemed a little confused by the behavior of the cat who kept hugging it. But the cat seemed to really love the chicken. Look how adorable the two of them look when they sleep together in one bed. In fact, they are like inseparable friends. The cat seems to continue to hug its friend. The chicken could only surrender to the cat's behavior. It's so adorable, huh?